Any mention? Any mention?
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 29.
Yes.
Item number 29, Your Lordship.
Yes.
So I
Well,
need
other
some-
side. Many.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Yes. Wilson.
Private risk.
You're for whom?
Uh,
Number 29 or 20, sorry, I'm 23. Okay. How long? 2 weeks.
After 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Why 3 weeks?
Because I was not in a position to contract with the client. It is required to file even rejoinder also.
Okay, 3 weeks. You're forced for a rejoinder? No more rejoinder then.
No, Your Lordship, this it is required to be, but I was not in a position to.
Okay, 3 weeks. Yes, yes.
May please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention.
Yes?
I beg to mention item number 32, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I pray that the matter may be listed after 2 weeks, Your Lordship. 32, Your
For
Lordship.
the other side. Other side?
We have already informed the GHDC and the private respondents, Your Lordship.
No objection.
No objection, Your Lordship.
2 weeks, right? Okay.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I will seek your permission for item 33, my lord.
Darren, what's this?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, if this matter can be taken after 2 weeks, my lord.
My lord, no
2 weeks,
objection.
Oblige.
Yeah, please, my lord. I beg to mention item number 18, my lord.
yes. 1 second. 18. Why?
1 week time, my lord.
Okay, 1 week. No objection.
Hello.
Yes. Yes. On behalf of P. Pathak, yes. Yes, M. Tiwari.
Lordship,
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 23 and 24 as the conducting counsel B. Pathak is in abroad.
He's gone abroad.
Yes, Lordship.
We're so fortunate also. Anyway, okay, 2024. After 2 weeks, yes.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26.
Number
26, Your Lordship.
26.
It's a joint request, Your Lordship. It's a joint request, Your Lordship.
One request, okay, 2 weeks, yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 30, Lordship. I'm for respondent number 6 and 7, Lordship.
Who's for the petitioner? You've informed them? You have to inform them, Mr. Who's this? Welking Singh Suting.
Yes, Lordship.
You inform them first before you mention?
They're here, my lord.
They're here.
Yes, ma'am.
Why are they hiding? Yes. Your objection?
No objection, Your Lordship.
2 weeks, yes, okay.
Oblige, Lordship.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 25, Your Lordship, in the daily list.
Lord, this is a contempt petition, my lord. There is
You've been taking adjournments time again. Why?
My lord. So now this time, my lord, I am not taking adjournment.
Now they want adjournment
For the first time, Your Lordship.
for the first time.
And because the parties, same parties, are having matters in 5 different courts. I have to rush, Your Lordship, personal difficulty.
For the same case, you have to rush 5 places today.
Not this same contempt matter, but arising from the same cause.
Today only, all
Today.
5 matters.
All different court, the appellate, revisional court, etc. etc.
Illustrious lawyer and clients also. Okay, after 1 week, yes.
Much all right.
Oblige.
Yes.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. I'd like to mention item number 34 from the daily course, please.
30?
34.
Just exhausted, right? 34. They won't have objection.
No, Your Lordship.
2 weeks, yes.
Obliged, yes.
That's it.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 31. Lordship. 31. Item number 31.
31, still, any matter still remaining? You're for the?
Petitioner, Lordship.
But your name's not here. Your name's Karsantiyo?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Yes?
No objection, Your Lordship.
2 weeks, okay, 23.
Obliged.
22, no one mentioned 22. Might as well, only 4-5 matters left. Yes.
Supplementary list, item number 1.
Lordship, this is a contempt petition. The operative part is page 7, Lordship. Page 7, para 5, Lordship.
Yes.
This court has considered the prayer and submission of the learned counsel for the parties and notes that the claim for interest is also a statutory right which cannot be denied, and non-awarding of interest will amount to violation of the statutory provision. But however, keeping in view the financial health of the respondent, this court, in line with the division bench judgment and order dated so-and-so, passed in so-and-so, hereby direct the respondent to pay simple interest at the rate of 6% per annum from the date of amount of gratuity had become due till the date of payment of the same, Lordship. Now there are two writ petition was disposed of by common judgment and order dated Lordship, 1st of August 2023, Lordship. So far as the...
So is there any time limit given?
No time limit.
No time limit.
Then?
I don't know why one order, one writ petition, they have already released the, as per my learned friend's instruction.
In 93 they released?
Yes.
322, Lordship, yes.
322 has been
Lordship.
released. 93, I don't know whether they have approached or not, but let me take instruction.
Yes, sir, Mr. S.E. Sheikh, Mr. S.D. is present. Or accept notice on behalf of the sole respondent over on squad just after 3 weeks for affidavit. Yes.
Item number 2.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, the petitioner before Your Lordship is a retired professor, my lord, of Nehu. During his service time, my lord, on the basis of an allegation of harassment,
Yes, excuse me.
a case was registered in as Tura Women PS case number so and so, and subsequently he was suspended by the authority. Thereafter, assailing that suspension order, he approached before this court, my lord, and subsequently this honorable court was directed to consider the matter of the petitioner, and subsequently the authority reinstated the service of the petitioner, my lord.
You were suspended when?
I was suspended, my lord, on 8/11/2017, my lord.
And reinstated?
And he was reinstated 15/3/2019.
2 years, nearly
2 years.
Okay, then what happened?
Now my
after that?
grievances is that, my lord, that during the service time, my lord, thereafter he was retired, my lord. After retirement, the increment of 2018 was not given, my lord.
He retired when?
Yes.
He retired when he retired? 18?
Retired on 23, my lord.
Okay.
He retired on...
So what happened to that allegation against you?
My lord, subsequently the trial court compounded the matter, my lord. And subsequently, thereafter the petitioner...
Was any department proceedings drawn up against you by the university?
Departmental proceeding was drawn up, my lord, but subsequently it was closed, my lord. As the criminal proceeding before the trial court was compounded.
So you're seeking only for your benefits which you have
Yes,
got
my lord. Yes,
for
my
2
lord.
years?
Yes.
Yes, who's appearing for?
I am appealing for the union, but Nehu is the main party here.
Yes, okay. Your name?
A. Rashid. A. Rashid.
I heard Mr. A. Rashid, the counsel petitioner, issue notice.
Respondent 224.
Mr. Devnath, CGC.
I'm only for respondent 1.
Notice on behalf of respondent
One.
number
1.
MSS Salam, Vice Mr. SD is present, accept notice on behalf of Vice Mr. SN, accept on behalf of respondent 224. As such, no further notice required. List this matter after 4 weeks for instruction of the affidavit. Yes.
Oblige, your lordship.
Item number 3.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes, Mr. Hassan.
Lordship, this is a VC matter with regard to the election, my lord. The Bhangarpar VC was constituted, my lord, in the year 2020, my lord.
20?
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
On consensus basis, in the Gram Sabha meeting, they have selected their VC functional, president, secretary, and the woman member. Respondent number 6, 7, and 8. My lord, interestingly, my lord, during the before expiry of the term of the Bhangarpar VC, the same VC functionaries had conducted another Gram Sabha meeting. There is fictitious meeting without
You mean the people who were in the VC only conducted a meeting?
Yes, my lord. Without the consent of the majority job card holders, my lord.
Yes.
They have conducted a meeting under the chairmanship of husband of respondent number 6, the president, husband of the Shri Montu Mullah. He is the husband of the president. In that meeting, they have again selected the same functionaries, 6, 7, and 8, on consensus basis. And
No,
accordingly,
but then if the terms are over, what was the need to be
my
at
lord,
any
my
meeting?
lord, may I, my lord, please, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, they have the same Gram Sabha meeting. Accordingly, was submitted to the office of the respondent number 5, Block Development Officer, Damdema. Thereafter, my lord, interestingly, without application of mine, the office of the respondent number 5 had passed the impugn order, my lord. Impugn order at page, my lord.
Page?
At page 24, my lord. Type copy at page 23, my lord. May I read, my lord?
Now, one thing, the term was to run from 20 to 23.
Yes, my lord. My lord.
How long? When was the meeting held? How much time was there left for the VC to
Yes,
expire?
my lord. Now, that is interestingly, my lord, at page annexure 3, the term of the previous VC of Bhangarpar.
Till when?
Yes, my lord. May I read, my lord?
Yes.
At page 21, in pursuance of the Gram Sabha meeting held on 6 December, the new VC functionaries were elected on consensus for the smooth implementation of MGNREGS in Bhangarpar village. The following were elected VC functionaries of Bhangarpar VC, and undersigned is pleased to approve the newly elected VC members with immediate effect until further order, subject to following terms and conditions. This order was passed on 9th December, meaning thereby
Till 8 December 23.
9 December 2023. And impugn order was passed on 10th May 2023. It's a completely mess up, my lord. By the office of the respondent number 5, my
The
lord.
term has to run 3 years. Is it
My lord, yes,
mandatory?
my lord. Yes, my lord. Before passing the impugn order,
Not like midterm poll.
yes, my lord. The purpose of the impugn order was to defeat the election, and we were not heard, my lord. We filed RTI. We filed RTI.
Who are you?
I'm the job card holder, my lord. I'm one of the job card holder of the VEC, my lord. We filed RTI, and interestingly, the RTI reply we have filed at annexure, my lord, 7, page 31, my lord. This is the type copy as 32. That is the reply, my lord. At number 4, may I read, my lord? 12th number of approval order Gram Sabha resolutions not available as file are misplaced during the handing over of charges by the staff in charges of area concern on transfer, etc. That is the reply given by the office of the respondents, my lord.
Now, only one thing, Ms. Hassan, this order is 10th May 2023.
Yes, my lord.
Yeah, then why do you come after 1 year?
My lord, the order was, my lord, the order was suppressed. We don't know. We are contemplating the election after December.
Okay.
We file RTI.
Yes, because Ms. S.K. Hassan issued notice returnable in 3 weeks. MSZ in country.
For 1 to 5, Your Lordship.
Except 1 to 5. Petitioner takes steps for serve notice on the remaining respondents within 3 days.
It's more prayer, my lord. Kindly stay the order, impugn order. This is illegal, my lord. On the face of it, my lord.
Interim.
My lord, otherwise the
for
illegal
interim stay will be taken up next date after service of notice.
My lord,
yes, it's already
otherwise
in place.
this illegal VCUs is
illegal. What will happen now?
Your Lordship, they've been functioning for more than a year.
Item number 4.
Obliged, Your
Hello, bless.
Yeah, please, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, the petitioner is a job aspirant pursuant to a job advertisement that was advertised. That's at page 58 of the petition.
Page 58.
58, yes. In fact, various vacancies were notified.
Meghalaya Police.
Meghalaya Police, yes.
Yes.
And what's important is if my lord will come to page 18.
80.
18. That's in exception number 1. And if I may read it out.
Yes.
The Governor of Meghalaya is pleased to order that the upper age limit for entry into government service is hereby enhanced from 27 to 32 years. She must not have exceeded the age of 32 on the first day of the year of advertisement. Candidates belonging to the scheduled tribe and scheduled caste will continue to enjoy further relaxation of 4 years, etc., etc.
Yes.
And the next paragraph is vitally important. The new upper age limits will be applicable in case of all categories of posts except for certain categories of posts as may be notified by the Personnel and AR Department for the Home, Police, Excise, Registration, etc., etc. Now, when this notification was still in vogue, the Home Department issued another OM. That's at page 19. And the relevant portion is at page 22, where the upper age limit has been changed.
Okay.
If my lord will recollect, it was increased from 27 to 32 by the previous OM.
Yes.
Now it's been it's kept at 27 years for unarmed and armed branch SIA inspectors, and for unarmed branch, armed branch, battalion constables, and firemen, it's been decreased to 18 to 21. And for followers, it's been decreased to 18 to 27. Now, this is in clear contravention of the second paragraph of the first OM we just read. And because of the operation of the second OM which we just read, the petitioners have been considered ineligible for applying in the vacancies that were advertised.
This advertisement,
yes.
last date for receipts already over. Is it extension?
It's been extended.
Where's the extension?
58, page 58. Sorry,
Page 58.
No, not 58. Page 70, my lord. Page 70.
Yes.
From the 8th of April,
Okay,
it's been
okay,
extended to the
31st,
1st.
right. Yes.
And
So
the petitioners.
how many petitioners are there in this?
There are 3 petitioners in this particular writ petition.
They're all overaged.
All overaged in terms of the second OM.
Your Lordship, if I may interject, page 22, Your Lordship, at point 7, there's a relaxation of 5 years for scheduled tribe and scheduled caste, Your Lordship.
No, the thing is that what they are getting at is that in that office, what is that? Where is that? Page 18. Correct. The upper age limit has been relaxed. And so they said that has been circumscribed by your second OM, which they consider illegal, that's all. And you want to put in your online applications, correct?
Yes.
But the last is 31st, so we still have time.
I'll take instructions.
Yes. Yes, and we'll hear the matter for interim prayer on the next date. Yes, heard Mr. Yes.
In that case, my lord, if you could kindly fix the matter for next week, because
today is what?
Today is the 17th. Friday, Your Lordship, 17th.
Yeah, we'll have it on 23rd. Yes, heard.
Okay.
Mr.
Most obliged, my lord.
Lalam Sangangaka. Okay. Then it comes with so and so for the petitioner issue notice. MSZ Country GA is present except those in behalf of
all the respondents, Your Lordship.
No friends called for. So this is matter on 23rd for completion of the interim prayer. Then GA to obtain instructions in the meantime. Yes.
Most obliged, my lord.
Yes. Item number 5.
Lord, item 5 and item 11, my lord, both are connected matter.
No, I think you got the wrong list.
Supplementary
This is a supplementary list.
It is referring to the
This is
daily list.
SS.
We are in supplement.
I'm
It's
sorry.
referring to daily list, madam.
Oh, I'm sorry, madam.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Still jet lagged, I think, yes. Sorry. Right, yes.
Well, this is the application for recalling the order for transfer of the appeal arising out of the execution application that indicated that I'd be placing two judgments. Before that, if Lordships will kindly have the order of the learned trial court indicating the recusal, that's at page 26. The order dated 30/4/2024. So kindly have the fourth paragraph.
Yes.
Learned counsel for the appellant submits that the instant appeal may be sent up in reference to the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya as self and Srimati R. Rimbai, Additional District Judge Shillong, had at one point of time taken up the matter when we were Assistant District Judge Shillong, and it may result in conflict of interest. This was a case where they tried to mislead the Honorable Court.
Yes.
Now, a similar circumstance occurred before the Honorable Supreme Court. Where a litigant had suffered adverse orders by a bench comprising of Justice Chandrachud. In a subsequent proceeding, they sought recusal of Justice Chandrachud. That was rejected. We kindly have that first paragraph onwards. The present application has been preferred by the petitioner applicant herein to recall the order passed by this court dated 3/9/2020, pass and transfer case number so-and-so. We have heard the applicant petitioner in person at length. When we pointed out to the petitioner in person that as earlier another application filed by her for the same relief as in the present application was dismissed by this court, the second application for the same relief could not be maintainable. The applicant petitioner in person submitted that one of us, Justice Chandrachud, should recuse himself from hearing the present application. We see no valid and good ground for recusal by one of us merely because the order might not be in favor of the applicant earlier. Cannot be a ground for recusal. A litigant cannot be permitted to browbeat the court by seeking a bench of its choice. Therefore, a prayer of the applicant petitioner in person that one of us should recuse from hearing the present miscellaneous application is not accepted, and the said prayer is rejected. Now, kindly see in this case, at some point, both the presiding officers of the appellate courts were sitting in the court of the assistant district judge. That is the only ground on which they seeking
Any final
recusal.
orders passed by them
No.
at that? No.
In the main suit, perhaps. But in the execution case, no final orders were passed. And they're not even challenging the order. The present order, which is impugned in the appeal, has been passed by Miss Natalie I. Dakhar. That can't be a ground, my lords. This is designed to try and delay the entire proceedings. It's a disingenuous plea. This can't be
Yes,
entertained.
Mr. Sangma, is that correct? That means there were no, effective orders passed by either of these when in the earlier capacities as the district judge.
Yes, Lordship.
If I may, my lord. If your lordship is just continuing, then I'll reply, my lord.
Are you,
Whatever the reply may be, that's my ground, my lord.
yes.
May please, your lordships. The lordships here, during the pendency, my lord, of the execution proceedings, the petitioners filed a misapplication, praying for removal of the goods and articles of the suit premises. Subsequently, my lord, on provide order dated 13/4, the same was allowed. I mean, lordship, if we may, can you take to the brief facts, my lord? You may allow the lordships to place the order passed by the present district judge on the execution proceedings, my lord. Your lordships have page 2.
Yes.
Order dated 24/8/2017.
Yes.
Now, your lordships kindly have page 3.
Yes.
Second last paragraph, my lord.
Yes.
Issue warrant of attachment to the bailiff for execution of the decree by eviction of the judgment debtor from the suit premises and to hand over vacant possession to the decree holder. Now, my lord, pursuant to this order, a warrant has been issued to the bailiff. And my lord, on 30/8/2017, the execution proceedings was carried out. Now, your lordships will kindly have order dated 21/9/2017.
Yes. Yes.
Now, we have page 6. Now, this is on perusal of the report filed by the bailiff.
Yes.
If your lordships have the second last paragraph. Part decree with regard to eviction of judgment debtor from suit premises by way of recovery of possession is satisfied.
Okay.
Your lordship, let me take here. The decree consists of twofold. One is recovery of the suit premises,
The other
and the other
monetary.
part is the monetary part.
Yes.
Now, my lord, since the present district judge has already
Was the
stated-
executing court at that point of time?
My lord,
Yes.
she has already referred in the order that possession with regard to suit premises has been satisfied.
Yes.
Now, subsequently, my lord, during the pendency, they have filed a similar application, which I may take, my lord, this can be taken as a secondary application, my lord, as a execution application. Because our stand is that the execution proceeding with regard to the suit premises is completed. Now, coming before the court again, praying for removal of all the goods, my lord, it's not sustainable. It's not
No,
maintainable.
you mean to say that possession was not handed over to you at a time of the execution?
Symbolic
of decree?
possession of the property, my lord.
No, my lord.
And
Symbolic
he
means the
refused.
keys
He
of-
refused to take out his goods.
No, my lord, no notice was issued to me during getting out of the execution
Notice
proceedings.
is not required to be issued.
This one, the bailiff also submitted report of handing over possession of
Yes.
the ground floor of so-and-so situated to decree
Yes.
holder along with the keys of the set room
Yes.
shop premises.
My lords, the lock was sealed by the court, by the bailiff. It was sealed. The keys was with us. The understanding was.
Out here we can't go
My
into
lord.
that.
We can't go
But
into
the
that.
only thing is that now whether now this same judicial officer.
Yes.
What matters pending before her court now?
Nothing. Nothing is pending before her. That's the only order where she participated. So they want her to recuse. They say there's a conflict of interest. What is her bias in this matter? There is no perceived bias at all.
Your lordship.
Now, even assuming they say that this is directed against the district judge, what about the additional district judge?
Your lordship, even the additional district judge has passed various orders, my lord.
Adjourning the matter.
Not adjourning the matters, my lord.
Wait.
My lordship, coming to the petition.
1 second. Now, after you file the application for removing the goods from the suit premises,
Lordship, very recently,
then the judge
2020.
the court of the assistant district judge gave you the
Yes.
Allowed the application.
allowed the application.
An order?
And against that, they filed an appeal.
An appeal.
Before the
Yes.
district sessions
And
judge.
in that appeal, they have asked the district judge to recuse herself on the ground there is a conflict of interest.
But see, but then it was executing court before.
Perhaps.
They let it go to additional district judge then.
Exactly. If at all, if that is the issue.
If that's the issue, because if you say that this particular judicial officer was instrumental in passing the order and like the execution, handing over possession, so on and so forth, then let it go to additional district judge. Why do you want transfer? It came in reference here. That is why this court, was on the opinion that since it is a conflict of interest without going to the facts, since the reference made by the judicial officer herself, that is why the matter was transferred.
And also, one of the additional district judge has not recorded any order of recusal.
Then?
They have misled the Honorable Court.
No, my lord.
In my humble submission, my lord.
Coming to the averments are misleading, my lord.
Because this will set a new precedent. Everybody will go back to the court and ask for a recusal.
No, it won't set a precedent. But in the fact circumstance of the case, yes,
my lord.
In a way. Because then only, let her not go for a 6 sessions judge.
Additional.
We'll recall the order, Mr. Sangma.
Oh, my lord, you can hear me, my lord.
Okay, we'll hear, yes. Now, why you have reservations about the additional district judge?
No, your lordships, I have already submitted earlier. Even the additional district judge has passed
Here, the orders are here.
No, my lord, the records I think need to be called for. But in the meantime, my lord, your
See,
lordships
we
can hear
can't,
me.
what do you say?
Because a similar order, my lord, has been passed by the Present additional district judge, my lord.
In what capacity?
As
What
the
kind of
executing court,
effect
my
the
lord.
orders were passed?
As the executing court. My lordship,
You must be having the orders with you.
Well, I have the orders
Are
with
you
me.
in possession of the orders? Passed by the who's
Not at the moment, because they said they would file a show cause bringing on record certain documents.
Bring on some materials here.
Exactly. There is
The last
nothing.
order is that.
No, my lord. Orders was never reflected. This was fixed for further orders.
No, what he's saying is that the additional district judges also pass certain effective orders. What are those effective orders?
Yes. They are with you?
My lord.
The orders of the district judge are with you?
Are with me, my lord.
Then you kindly place them.
Your lordship will have this.
What is the date of the order?
26/7/2018.
This is okay. Council also.
Some more orders are there, my lord.
You flag them. Show to the court.
Lordships.
Court doesn't have the time to.
My lord.
We'll take it up on Monday. Mr. CCT Sangma today has produced some orders to substantiate in support of his case that the judicial officers in question are disabled from taking up the appeal. List the matter on Monday. The council will produce the materials flagged and indexed. Yes.
A copy may be served upon me.
Copy will be given, of course. Copy will be given to the other side.
Mother.
If that's the only order, then that is the thing, yes.
No, there are series of orders. I'll place before lordships.
Daily list, item number 1.
Number 5,
Please, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Ishla.
Respondent number 6.
May I please, Your Lordship? In this matter, I'm supposed to file my affidavit, but there's a new development, Your Lordship. They are trying to resolve the entire issue here.
Is that correct?
I'll take instruction from my client. Actually, earlier there was an effort, but at present I am not aware of that. But still, I'll take instruction from my client.
Yes, Mr. Enongbri, Learned Counsel, responded with 6. Submits that as there are certain developments with regard to settlement of the matter out of court. He prays the matter be settled after
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks.
3
weeks. Yes.
3 weeks.
Mr. Jeshila has no objections. This matter to 3 weeks.
Much obliged.
Item number 2.
Yes.
Your Lordship, the private respondent is supposed to file an affidavit.
You're number 8.
No, Your Lordship. I'm number 1 to 7.
You're 4.
Respondent 1 to 7, Your Lordship.
Who's for number 8?
Respondent number 8 is a brother, Lordship. This is regarding the issuance of pata, Lordship, between 2 brothers.
No, number 8 appeared or not?
Number 8 appeared, Lordship. Last time also they asked for a time. Amit Joshi.
Who's the Amit Joshi? P. Sunar. You haven't filed affidavit, you're not filing?
We have filed, Your
They have already filed.
Yes,
Yes, today no appearance made on behalf of number 8. Stop, though prayer was made today, no appearance made of number 8. Stop. On the last date, prayer had been made to allow them to file affidavit. No, don't write that. On the last date, that is on 2/5/2024, though time has been sought to file an affidavit on behalf of someone to 8, no appearance was made. Today also there's no appearance on behalf of respondent number 8. Accordingly, the filing is closed and the matter shall proceed ex parte against the respondent number 8. Stop. Your name, sorry? Lani.
Langi, Your Lordship.
Lani submits the on behalf of respondents number 127. Affidavit is already on board. Yes. List for hearing. You'll file a rejoinder? No. List for hearing, you will cause and so on. So yes.
Item number 3.
Lordship, in this matter, I'm praying for 2 weeks' time to file our rejoinder, Lordship.
How many times you sought?
First time they have served a copy yesterday, Lordship.
So principal allowed 2 weeks time for the joint affidavit filed by the state respondents list thereafter and so on.
Much of my Lordship. 4.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, the respondents are yet to file their affidavit in opposition.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of respondent 1 to 3, Lordship. I am praying for some more time, Lordship, to file affidavit.
There is an order in which we have already stated that we will not be filing.
2023 matter.
Lordship, some more time may be granted, Lordship.
What's the matter about? School teacher?
My lord, the petitioner had purchased a plot of land. She was trying to construct property, but the respondent numbers 1 and 2 are not allowing her to do the construction, citing that the construction cannot be done near defence land. But there is no such notification to that effect. I have checked the
File
area.
affidavit, yes. MS Ibrahim prays a lot further 2 weeks time to file affidavit. Response 1 to 3. Just thereafter and so on.
So the last chance may be granted, my lord.
Last chance
it's been
has
a
no
long
meaning.
time.
Yes.
Item number 5.
Yes, where's Mr. Amit Kumar?
Yes, my lord. Item 5 and 11, my lord, both are connected.
Yes.
And earlier I sought time to file detailed affidavit, my lord.
Yes.
I checked, my lord, that affidavit has not been filed. I will be seeking some more time. And they grant 3 weeks time to file detailed affidavit. Because if your lordship will see the order of 26th April 2023 in the connected matter, that is writ petition 18 up to 2024, item 11, my lord. (26th April 2024) order, my lord.
Yes.
3 weeks to detail.
The second petition, the same, the earlier petition being taken up together with instant for hearing, apart from reiterating the conditions and so. On hearing the parties and examination of material record, it appears the matter need further hearing apart from the point of maintainability. Accordingly, instant is remitted for hearing. For ground, they are permitted to file a detailed affidavit within 2 weeks. My lord, that affidavit inadvertently has not been filed, my lord.
2 weeks, we give you 2 weeks time, you file within 2 weeks.
Yes, sir.
Today, the Learned Advocate General appearing for the Respondent Corporation or for the
Respondents,
appearing for the respondents submits that due to unavoidable reasons, the affidavit as allowed by this code, provide order dated 26/4/2024 could not be filed. He prays that he may be given 2 weeks further time to file the same stuff.
Among 7th, it's not very convenient for your lordship and my learned friend. 7th.
List the matter on 7th of
June, my
June.
So they are getting 3 weeks.
Yes.
Yes. Deeply obliged, my lord.
It's not for review, for hearing. Yes, it's for hearing.
No,
but
let it be for rejoinder. For orders, yes.
Item number 6.
Yes, Mr.
My lord, this matter in the last occasion, Lordship allow us to file a short rejoinder. We are unable to complete the rejoinder. So I may pray, Lordship,
short rejoinder means short rejoinder, there's a one-day matter.
So I may pray, my Lord, allow me to file, matter be posted for hearing after 2 weeks and allow me to file my rejoinder.
The third time?
Third time. Exhausted.
Third and last time, yes. List the matter for hearing after 2 weeks, petitioner to file the rejoinder in the meanwhile, yes.
Yes. My Lord.
7.
Yes.
Lordship, we are yet to file affidavit in this case. My lord, we have received our instruction. However, most of our documents are in Khasi, my lord. So we need time to translate thereafter before the next day we'll be able to file, Lordship.
You have objection? Or will help translating?
No. Translation is a difficulty right now. Otherwise, we would have been able
Yes,
to
what
find.
about the other response? Mr. Yubin for 5.
We are waiting for some time, Your Honor.
E. Pajo for? Ratham, sorry, for 6. You have not filing? You won't be filing affidavit? You'll be filing or you'll not be filing? Yes, MS R. Kolni for 1 to 4, Mr. Yubin for 5, and Ratham for 6. Pray for not further 2 weeks time for affidavits. This thereafter also. Yes.
Item number 8.
My Lord, in this case, we have filed the application for implement, seeking for implement. What happened in this case, my Lord, the respondent state has issued a Section 4 and Section 19 notification under the new 2021. And the present applicants and others, they filed a writ petition before this court, challenging
Before the?
Challenging the...
Yes, Section 4, Section 4 notification.
Section
11.
11.
Section, sorry.
Section 11.
11, 19.
Section 19 declaration.
Yes.
We challenged before this honourable court, and matter is still kept pending. Even Lordship passed an order directing respondents to acquire in accordance with law. Now, because of that, my Lord, they are not proceeding the land acquisition, and matter is sub judice.
Because of this matter?
Yes, my Lord, connecting to the same notification. Now, what happened?
No, my Lord.
No, the state has filed. The state has filed affidavit in my first writ petition. They are not disputing that the issuance of Section 11 and Section 19. They admit it. The same stretch of the area, same area. Now,
where is the area?
My Lord, this is Gente Hills. Gente Hills, my Lord.
Now, what happened? During the pendency of this first writ petition, they have issued another Section 11 and Section 19 declaration during the subsistence of the first Section 11 and 19. And now there was a claim by the petitioner and other person before the collector for compensation. Now the lawyer came forward, and in that Section 11 and Section 19 declaration, the names of all the petitioners were deleted, and the name of the lawyer was inserted without cancelling the earlier notifications. And now, because of that, here they filed the petition seeking for compensation. Recently, we come to know, therefore, we filed this application.
What is the earlier petition number?
Earlier petition number, that is WPC number 496 of 2021. It is pending before court number 3 for admission hearing.
Admission hearing?
Yes, it is possible for admission hearing.
Are you there in that matter also?
He is not there.
I'm not. The petitioner is not. Lordship, it seems like there are 2 notifications now. 2 Section 11 notice has been issued. Now, in the first notice,
more interested parties have come out.
Yes.
But the petitioner here is the petitioner herein is the lawyer, Lordship. He's the
Darbar.
He's the Darbar, Lordship. He's not claiming any compensation, so to say, on his personal capacity.
Number 3 is the other matter.
Number 3 is the objector in this.
Who's the objector?
My Lord, in the present case, my Lord, number 3
You're
is the
objector?
objector. And he has not responded to our
Lordship, there's a detailed order passed by your Lordship on the last occasion.
On the last occasion, they were supposed to
number
file.
3.
Yes, my
It's the
Lord.
same matter.
In this present matter, my Lord, Lordship has passed an order on 1st May in which the private respondent were directed to file an affidavit, my Lord, because they have not substantiated their claim, my Lord, even before the DC, my Lord, till date. Whereas we have requested them to file their to substantiate their claim since the year 2022.
Ah, yes. We might inflict costs upon you if you're making, baseless objections. If you're trying to claim your right by saying that you're CM Sutanga or something, Yeah, some documents. So you're objecting to the implement?
I'll just
My Lord, I have
peruse
not
this
even served a
application.
copy, my Lord. I have
You
not
give a
received-
copy. Let them file a small objection. If
I'll peruse the application.
This case, WP 69/2024 in WPC number 416/2023. This is an application by one Shri.
Give me a minute.
Kemen
Kimer
Mrichiang
Mitchell and others, madam.
and 4 others who are stated to be
landowner in the section.
bona fide landowners who have been notified. In which notification dated?
Dated 11 June 2021.
Dated 11 June 2021 under the right to fair compensation and?
Yes, 2003.
What's the act? Full name of the act? Right to fair compensation, land acquisition, rehabilitation and resettlement 2013. Stop. Next up, Mr. Emil Nongpur, on behalf of the petitioner, has certain objections to the implement application. He prays for and is allowed
2 weeks time.
2 weeks. 2 weeks time for objections. This is the matter thereafter.
Because
the main matter is not listed today, correct? Only
No,
Miss
my lord,
case.
the Miss case is not listed, madam.
In the main matter, this is matter together with on so and so, and the same date of the Miss case. That's the last argument. Yes, Mr. So and so, on behalf of 103, submits the instructions that have been received and after it be filed in the course of the day. Within 1 week, yes.
Hello.
Item number 9.
Lordship, in item 9, I have filed my affidavit of compliance.
Is that correct, Mr. Chereso?
My lord, we have received instruction. They have.
Is regarding?
It's regarding the job card, Lordship. Enrollment of the beneficiaries.
Oh, those people. I hope you use your good officers. Because these two don't understand, you see. That's
Lordship.
Yes, Mr.
I've only filed today morning, Lordship. It's on board.
Submits that an affidavit has been filed indicating compliance orders of this court stop. Mr. Chereso prays him up to obtain instructions. This is matter after 1 week. Yes.
After 1 week.
Compliance.
Much
Yes.
Item number 10.
This matter may be closed, my lord, because the new scheme has already been implemented and then it has already commenced.
Scheme?
Regarding this water supply scheme, my lord.
Correct.
Your Honor, as stated that in the affidavit of the state, they have said that
We have
they
filed
have already connected water from another source, which is about 4 kilometers down the hill from our village, and for a week after they generated the water, it's only half the 5,000 liter can be
That
filled
we
up.
can't go to that. That we have to settle with the PH authorities only. Now, court can't send someone to measure how much water came to your tanky, right?
Your Lordship,
What is the fact that water is coming, correct?
Yes, my lord.
yes, it come, but it's not
Insufficient.
enough. It's not enough. So.
Maybe because sometimes because of dry season also. my lord.
This case is since 2012, Your Lordship.
Yes,
We are running from pillar to post just to get our basics need.
That's not correct, Mr. Khalindor. Because you're the bigger village and you deprive the other smaller villages of the water. And so you want to retain that power that you have
And that
over
also
the other
it's-
villages. Now the government's trying to share the water to everybody.
how it's happened in this village.
Who are the people
also.
of other villages? That's correct. Now you're getting water. And Ms. Nongpur? CM of which is CM of? Maharam?
No, Mosunram.
We'll close it for the time being on the affidavit of the state.
My lord.
And you have any grievance, you can take it up with the PH authorities only. We're not going to close the door on you. Yes. Stop. Mr. Ensinkon, Leonard GA, when a matter was taken up today, has submitted that the matter can be closed inasmuch as the public health engineering has taken remedial measures to ensure water supply to the village. Stop. He has drawn attention of this court to the affidavit file in this regard, where the statements made, where in paragraph?
Paragraph 8, my lord.
Paragraph 8.
This is the scheme, my lord, sanction.
8 and 9.
8, 9, 10.
Which is supported with photographs showing the source, which is supported with photographs showing the source and pump sets which have been installed. Stop. Next paragraph. Next, Mr. S. Kharangdo, however, the counsel petitioner, Mr. Kharangdo, however, has submitted that though the water scheme is now in place, the supply is inadequate to meet the needs of the villagers. Stop. As the bone of contentions only with regard to the supply of water, any shortfall or inadequacy is taken up by the concerned village with the authorities themselves. Stop. On the basis of the quote the paragraphs, which you could below. On the basis of the affidavit file, this petition is closed at this stage and disposed of. Next part, however, it shall be open to the. However, the writ petitioner, if still aggrieved, may take up the matter with authorities and the liberty to approach this court on a fresh cause of action.
Right.
Item number 12.
Lordship, I'm praying 2 weeks' time, Lordship, to file the additional affidavit.
My lord, I have directed the petitioner to file an affidavit because we brought into record that all the members of the association has resigned. So he was not aware, saying that he was not aware all have resigned. So they were supposed to file an additional affidavit.
Is that, what is this?
My lord, regarding registration of their renewal of registration.
Oh, the Archery Association.
Archery Association, my lord.
Lordship, 2 weeks' time, Lordship.
2 weeks' time too long. We'll give you 1 week's time. Additional time of 2 weeks was granted by order dated 2/5/2024 to allowing the petitioner to file additional affidavit. Today, a prayer has been made again for further time. Only 1 week's further time granted for additional affidavit. List thereafter and so on.
13. 13.
Yes.
Lordship, the respondents are
Your Lordship, I pray for the 1 week's time, Your Lordship,
Why?
if I am affidavit. Your Lordship, the affidavit is not yet ready, Your Lordship. Waiting 1 week.
Very
For
good.
respondent number 6.
4 file.
No, yes.
4 not file. 4 in not filing.
We will file
When?
next time.
Next time. Yes, you can file next time only. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we'll grant you all respond granted. Respond number 5, Mr. Inongbri on behalf of number 5 submits that affidavit has been filed. Stop. Other respondents pray for further 2 weeks' time for affidavit. This also and so. But you have interim orders protecting you, correct?
Yes, Your Lordship. Interim may be continued, Your Lordship.
Interim order when it shall continue till next date. Yes.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? I am appearing on behalf of respondent number 4, newly implemented Deputy Commissioner. So I may be allowed some time to file my report.
MSS Bharacharji has entered appearance today on behalf of the newly implemented respondent, namely the Deputy Commissioner of West Garo Hills. Stop. She prays for once allowed how much time?
3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship. Yes.
Your Lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 1 to 3, Your Lordship.
Yes,
we have filed our affidavit.
Very good.
Yes, Your Lord.
Much obliged.
On 25/4/2024, we have filed our affidavit.
Yes.
15.
Offence. Thank you.
My lord, we are yet to file affidavit in this case, my lord.
8, 9, and 10? 11?
Your Lordship, I'll be filing the course of the day, Your Lordship.
You're appearing for whom? Who's 11?
For MIG,
Private
Your
respondent. The?
MIG.
MIG?
Yes, of governance, Your Lordship.
Then say that. How will you know what's MIG? And Mr. Dr. Mozika, 8 to 10. And then...
My lord, I'm for 1 to 7, my lord, state respondents. My lord, here we have been also informed that payment, my lord, with regard to land compensation has been processed. The last leak is also going on. So probably if by this week they are trying to finish off those genuine
You
land
file whatever you've done,
So,
you
my
file
lord,
affidavit at least.
So we require time, my lord. Therefore, we'll be able to come with the correct facts, my lord, in the
Yes,
situation.
MSR Kohli, in behalf of the respondents number 1 to 7, as also Dr. Mozika for 8 to 10. Pray for and allowed further 2 weeks' time to file affidavit stuff. GC Marvo will file a course of the day. MSG server for respondent 11 submits that the affidavit on behalf of the said respondent will be filed the course of the day. It is next paragraph. It is also note the submissions of MSR Kohli J also noted that compensation as
Payment of compensation is going on, my lord.
compensation as
Payment of compensation to the rightful landowners, my lord, it's a
payment compensation
process.
is underway.
My lord, yes.
Yes. List so and so, after so and so.
Item 16.
This is that case where I was disqualified for appointment on ground of seat. Dental issue.
Yes, what happened, Dr.
But
Mozika?
I have received instructions, my lord.
No, this is the last chance to obtain instructions.
Yes, I have received instruction. But the instruction is that he was declared medically unfit on account of complete posterior disocclusion of teeth, my lord. Yes, please.
Please, Your Lordship, you see that that's not a ground under the guidelines.
see,
and I have- This is what is stated in the review
But this is,
medical.
you already filed this. They already filed this, correct?
Yes.
So we have annexed all
But
the
this
medical
is,
examination
this is
reports.
what I've challenged.
1 second. On evaluation, clinically no tremor was seen. All the evaluation progress so by dentists. Number one also have already mentioned the candidate is dentally unfit.
Please, in fact, if Your Lordship would have guidelines, I've annexed the guidelines.
Where's that?
Please, Your Lordship, they are starting from page 21, and Your Lordship would find the relevant of page 25. Page 25.
25.
Please, Your Lordship, you see seriatim 6 general grounds for rejection. So Your Lordship would find serial number 10, loss or decay of teeth resulting in reduction of dental points below 14.
Where are you reading from?
10, serial number 10, loss of decay in teeth.
Page.
Page 25.
25 was teeth. 10.
Serial number 10, Your Lordship.
Dental examination.
Yes. Please, Your Lordship, all they had to see was whether my dental points is 14 or not. That they have not checked.
Yes, Dr. N. Mozika today has produced. Is this annexed red petition?
Yes, Your Lordship, I have annexed it as page number 20.
This document produced today.
Yes, Your Lordship, yes. In fact, I have annexed, I have challenged this document in the writ petition.
But to permits me to file affidavit, my lord. Within 10 days, I'll file affidavit, but can be heard after that. It appears, my lord, there's minimum 14 dental points are required, my lord.
You have to have 14 teeth.
14 dental
Yes.
points, my lord.
14 dental points.
The upper jaw and lower jaw, there must be 14 points where the teeth join each other, my lord.
What bearing does it have on recruitment? They have to have. You can implant teeth now.
I don't think implant is permitted, my lord, again, in the medical rules, my lord.
You can't, if you're joining the army,
But LASIK surgery and all this, even implant. I'll have to examine that, my lord, but implants are not.
Suppose a soldier loses his teeth in the course of battle, you'll retire him.
My lord, in the course of battle, maybe, my lord.
Then?
But at the time of initial recruitment, is not permitted.
No, how disabled is a soldier if he doesn't have teeth?
Won't be able to eat properly.
Don't we eat properly? That's his lookout.
I'll file an affidavit, my lord.
Where is this document annexed in your, this produced by them as an annex in your petition?
Please, Your Lordship, page 20, 21, 20A. 20A is the original and 20 is the typed copy. Annexed to.
Yes. Yes, the same thing. You're producing the same
Yes.
thing, Dr. Mozika.
Yes.
Dr. M. Mozika today on instructions has produced a document which is seen to be already a part of the writ petition file.
Only one document, but there's a complete set of medical examination, my lord. The entire
However,
report.
he submits that the documents file are a complete set of the medical examination with regard to the requirements. Anterior edge to edge bite and posterior bilateral that is deadly unfit. Anterior edge to edge. What is anterior edge to edge bite and posterior bilateral?
I'll call a doctor, my lord, on the next hearing. Because this is very technical in nature, my
lord. Because the submissions is that this, whatever you're finding of being dentally unfit, does not come within the, to make him unfit as per the guidelines.
In my humble submission, it says minimum 14 dental points must be there, my lord.
Oh, no.
Now, when there's a complete disocclusion, my lord, maybe the dental points are below 14, my lord.
Please inquire if Your Lordship would have page 27.
However, first submits that the other documents have produced contain the entire medical records of the petitioner. He prays that he may be allowed 10 days to file an affidavit. Strong objections have been raised by the counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the finding that the petitioner is unfit, dentally unfit, is not correct. In as much as per the guidelines, the petitioner, as per the guidelines, which has been annexed to the petition. However, to properly adjudicate the matter in full, 10 days time is granted to respond to file a detailed affidavit. Just thereafter, for admission hearing, we'll try. Endeavor shall be disposed of on the next date. Well, yes, you take back those documents. Yes. Very strange.
17.
Great for your Lordship.
May it please, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I'm praying if this matter can be taken at the bottom of the board, Lordship. This is that tender matter, Lordship.
Well, I appear for the private respondent. We filed affidavit. State has also filed an affidavit.
We have received yesterday.
There's an interim order operating.
Interim order operating,
end of the board,
and
Lordship. End of the board, Lordship. I'm praying.
One thing, Mr. Advocate General, what is a bit alarming is a sense that the price has been quoted for these machines, 11 crores.
Yes, my lord, the 11 crore rupees and the price by the respondent number 6 is less than 1.5 crore.
It's well advised just to float an expression interest instead of having a tender. That's the thing. When do you have it?
No, my lord, I will, because I have filed the counter affidavit. Respondent number 6 has also filed the counter affidavit, my lord. No rejoinder has been filed, and we have placed all the relevant material, my lord, showing that the award of the tender is and lot of suppression of facts are there.
They'll give ample opportunity, my lord. In fact, there were 2 hearings, my lord.
Two hearings meaning
And they have
negotiations.
suppressed that fact also.
Hearing in this, there were 2 meetings, my lord, where they participated fully. They
Detailed
presented their
presentation was
technical presentation, my
One
lord.
at a time, please. Okay, let Attorney General go first. Now you say that they have suppressed materials.
My lord.
Yes, my lord.
There's a total suppression of
fact
material,
is, my lord.
Yes.
The fact is, my lord,
Yes.
when they are saying that they have not been invited and there was no discussion with the management of the Tura hospital, my lord. In fact, a detailed representation was made and detailed presentation by both the parties have been made. That fact has been suppressed, my lord. No whisper, nothing in the entire petition, no averment whatsoever, my lord. If I can show, my lord, those presentation, my lord, and there is no rejoinder file, my lord. What will happen, my lord? They will come and seek time for filing rejoinder. Your lordship has given them the time to the state to file reply by Friday. We filed it on Monday, and the matter could not be taken up on Monday because the court was on leave, my lord. Now today also they have not filed rejoinder to my.
My lord, we had received the rejoinder filed by
petition.
the state, my lord, only on 14th/5, my lord, and yesterday we have received the rejoinder filed by the respondent number 6, my lord.
My lord,
And
they
they
can
have
have
not
the time
filed
to file a
the-
rejoinder. We have no problem, my lord. The only difficulty is the interim order, my lord.
And I will show, my lord, how the technical evaluation has been carried out, my
You
lord.
find application modification in the order.
Well, the interim order is only till today, my lord.
Is still?
Interim order is only till today, my lord. And we have filed our affidavit.
Yes, Mr. Chanda. Why you not filed rejoinder?
We will be filing in the course of the day, my lord. Rejoinders are ready, lordship. I am praying if this matter can come at the end of the board, then Celia will be here, my lord, to submit.
Where we said that
But
they
I
had
don't have the
negotiations.
copy of the review.
Now, Dr. Mosika, where we
Well,
said.
Yes, Your Lordship, kindly see my counter affidavit, my lord.
I'll only learn the AG. I'll
Yes.
please after that.
Yes.
Your Lordship, kindly see my counter affidavit, my lord, at page 144, my lord. Detailed presentation is there. I'm sorry, it starts from comparative charts, my lord, starts from 85 and page 77.
Okay, 1 second. Page.
If I can, my lord, I can read the minutes of the meeting of 21st December at page 71
71.
of my counter affidavit.
Yes.
Minutes of the meeting, my lord, kindly see page 71, my lord. Minutes of the meeting held on 21st December 2023 at Conference Hall of Tura Hospital, Tura, in connection with medical representative for supply of MRI machine for the hospital.
Yes.
Sri so-and-so, Deputy Commissioner, West Garo Hills, Chairman of the Tura Civil Hospital, West Garo Hills, chaired the meeting. On the onset of the meeting, so-and-so IS Deputy Commissioner, West Garo Hill, has welcomed all the members present. He informed the gathering that both the parties have individually approached the chairman for judicious hearing of their case before finalization of result. Meeting was called. The hospital management was also put forth comparative statement against the required specification as were directed by chairman in the previous meeting conducted on 21st November 2023. Deputy Commissioner West Garo Hill Tura has informed the members and medical representative that meeting has been called in connection with installation of MRI machine for Tura Civil Hospital, Tura. As sir also added that machines should be handy, affordable, should have the best technology that can be benefited for the patient of the hospital. He also requested doctors of Tura Hospital, Tura, to observe carefully to all claims made by representative company about the machine and can ask the question for any doubt. In consultation with Deputy Commissioner West Garo Tura, in consultation with Member Secretary and other members of committee has requested the official of arranged medical supplier, United Imaging, that is L1, an official of Make India Medical Supplier, L2, to place their presentation for their MRI machine before the committee members. Officials of United Imaging, L1, presented the salient features of MRI machine, that is 580, the claim that their machine is the best and all the latest qualities are shown below. United Imaging Healthcare has global presence, having big R&D in China, Shanghai and Houston, USA. Company is manufacturer of many innovations in radiology, imaging and radiotherapy, like world's first total body PET scan, PET-CT works, UHF first whole body MRI, 9.4 preclinical MRI, the world's highest field strength, world's first ultra-wide
Now,
bore
one second,
MRI with
Mr.
75.
Now, this document was
Yes.
available to you.
This was available to them, my lord. Kindly see the page 75, their signatures.
But they were part of negotiations.
Yes, part of the negotiation, and it was not even, there is no whisper whatsoever in the entire petition, my lord. I'm really sorry to say, suppressio veri suggestio falsi. It's a case they knew, they participated, and there is no reference whatsoever of this document. In the entire, not a single line is stated in the entire petition. That there was a presentation before the management committee of Tura Hospital, my lord. No, nothing. And if your lordship will see, the presentation is there and the chart is also there, my lord. Kindly see chart where the comparative analysis of the pros and cons at page 85, my lord.
We'll do one thing. We'll
Page
fix-
85
You find
and-
a joiner by today. We'll fix it on Monday. We'll close the matter on Monday. Yes.
I'm ready with the matter, Millets. The only issue is, Millets, after the tender committee gives a finding, Millets, whether it is open for the deputy commissioner to have again another session of the tender committee.
Yes, after it's been
I
filed
mean,
by
my lord,
the-
there is no
by the
averment
respondents.
whatsoever about this
By the
in the entire
respondents,
petition.
No, it is there. It is their case.
By the respondents, stop. To join us, we filed the cause of the deal is a matter. On
Are they not supposed to disclose all material facts to the
Of
court,
course.
my lord? I put
that
a
that will,
question
that
to
will
myself.
consider everything. Mr. Arjun will
In fact,
consider
there are two
everything.
meetings, my lord. In both they participated.
Well, these were presentations.
Over the weekend, I'll go
Because
through
this
the-
is
I'll
not,
go through the-
they
The
are
admitted
approaching
position is,
the
Millets, that there was no
Honorable
negotiation.
Moreover, my lord, we are
We should
work
approach
has been
with the
awarded to
clean
L1,
hands,
my
my
lord.
lord.
If it was awarded to L2 or L3, my lord, there is justification is required. Here the work has been awarded to L1.
Millets, that
No, that
the
is-
tender
never
very
told to that.
specifically says
Hearing?
Yes.
Item 19.
Monday.
Monday, yes.
Monday.
You find it on the course of the day.
Millets. Well, it's the interim order may kindly continue.
Yes, it'll continue till Monday. Yes. Interim order continue till Monday. Yes.
Till next date of hearing, my lord.
May it please, Lordship.
You understand this matter, Emmanuel Lamre?
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Here, Lordship, the matter was.
Oh, those the home guards.
Yes, Lordship.
Mr. Abraham, how you will help them?
We have already disengaged them since the 1st of January 2023.
Now, this writ petition number 37, Lordship, with regard to the revision of pay. Because all throughout, Lordship, we were receiving the benefits of the pay commission. And the last pay commission, that is at 5th, Lordship, they have denied. Although there were internal communication between interstate department, Lordship, but they are not giving the benefits, which compelled the petitioner to approach this honorable court. Well,
There are two petitions.
yes, Lordship.
The one is 37, is this one.
Yes.
And 220 is what?
Is I have challenged the letter of disengagement, Lordship.
Of?
What happened, Lordship, when I brought to the notice of the court, Lordship, when the matter was pending, they have stopped my salary, Lordship, our salary. Then I brought to the notice of this honorable court, and this honorable court has given the direction to have instruction to the state. Then subsequently, Lordship, what happened? They have passed an order saying that our service has been disengaged. So, subsequent writ petition that was challenged.
What do you one thing? If you disengage by the acquiring agency, does your substantive engagement with Home Guard stands extinguished also?
No, my lord, that is separate procedure. I'll challenge whether they can disengage, whether they can terminate or not. That will I'll come later. Now this writ petition with regard to the revision of pay, Lordship.
Now this is revision of pay. Next one is with regard to disengagement.
Yes, Lordship. So
should we take which one first?
I'll take the revision of pay first, Lordship.
Okay.
Whether they are entitled for revision of pay or not. Now, Lordship, that appointment letter is at page 11, that 11A is the type copy, Lordship.
11?
11A.
Mr. Abraham, you ready to the matter, correct?
Yes, Your Lordship, but...
Don't express any difficulty, huh?
No, what happened is this, so now my learned friend is insisting on revision of pay. But if the service already been disengaged, during disengagement he can...
No, Lordship, that is altogether different issue. Even if service, suppose even if I retire also, Lordship.
Can these two repressions be disposed of by a common judgment order?
My Lord, today it can be. Yes, it can be. It can be.
The thing is that this revision of pay is consequential.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Your disengagement comes prior.
Yes.
Then?
No, disengagement did not come prior, Lordship. Disengagement came to December 2023. But my claiming is from 1st of January 2017.
Okay.
So till the order of my disengagement, Lordship, if my Lord takes otherwise also, if my second writ petition is not interfered also, then still till the date of my disengagement, I am entitled for the revision of pay, Lordship.
Start, yes.
That is at page 11, the type
One
copy is...
second. Let me save paper and erase earlier notes. Yes. Page?
Page 11, 1, Lordship.
Page 11.
Yes, the type copy is 11A. Next page, Lordship.
Okay.
I'll refer the type copy, Lordship.
Right.
In the interest of the public service, the following trained home guards volunteers are temporarily appointed as guardsmen with effect from so-and-so. 3/5/1986 in the pay scale of so-and-so plus other allowances admissible under the Meghalaya Services.
This was in 3/5?
1986.
86.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
Now these are the petitioner here. The serial number 2, serial number 3, and serial number 5, Lordship.
Okay.
Now, Lordship, I was appointed in 1986, all throughout, Lordship.
Yeah.
We have been receiving the benefits of the pay commission. That is the...
Now, who paid this pay initially was paid by the Home Guards themselves?
Home Guards, Lordship. My Lordship, in the same page, Lordship, kindly come, serial number condition is theirs. Serial number 5, Lordship. Bottom, Lordship.
Yes.
Bill assistant for necessary action, monthly pay bill of one of Havildar in charge of the above, and the guardsman should prepare and forward to the executive engineer, that is the requisition authority, Lordship, Joy, in the last week of every month for drawal of the bill from the end. Disbursement of pay will be done by the undersigned on the first week of the month. Undersigned means that the Home Guards.
Disbursement of pay will be done. So what happens is that the requiring agency, they approach the Home Guards.
Yes.
They say we need some personnel to guard whatever installation or institution. Then the pay of those people who are engaged, they pay directly to Home Guards.
Home Guards.
And did you disburse from Home Guards?
Yes, Lordship. Because I am the employee of the Home Guards, not the employee of the PSC, Lordship.
Right. That's clear, yes.
So that is the challenge I have challenged in the writ petition, Lordship. Now, Lordship.
Disbursed by Home Guard only.
Home Guards, Lordship. Since I am the employee of the Home Guards.
Throughout your career?
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Now, Lordship.
Not by requiring agency?
No, Lordship. Although there is some internal, agreement between my appointing authority as well as the requisition authority. That is the interstate department, Lordship. That is not connected. Not connected. Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Now, page 13, Lordship. Next. 1-3, Lordship.
Yes.
This is order for revision of pay, Lordship.
Type code 13A.
13 is the type copy. May I read, Lordship? The following guardsmen are hereby allowed to raise their pay scale, number so-and-so, instead of so-and-so, with effect from 1/1/1996, Lordship.
Yes.
Onwards by government letter number so-and-so. That means by this order, Lordship, our pay has been increased as per the recommendation of the pay commission, Lordship.
It does not say there. It just says that as per allowed risk to so and so. Where is this? Where is the saying pay commission?
The
No, pay commission.
pay commission was came effective from 1/1/1996, Lordship.
No, this is
All, but still they have continued, Lordship.
okay. They raise your pay.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Now, Lordship, page 14A, type copy is 14A. This is a letter issued by the Meghalaya State Agriculture Marketing Board to the Home Guards. Here also, Lordship, may I read the content of the letter, Lordship? With reference to your letter and the letter cited above, I have the honor to request you to kindly submit the salary bill of the Home Guards volunteer deployed at the office of the Mayong Market Committee, Mayong, for the month of October 2018 onwards as per your fixation under the revision of pay 2017. You are requested to kindly take note of the above stated matter, or else the salary bill of the Home Guards volunteer shall not be preferred by your office, by our office, Lordship. That is the letter issued by the requisition authority to the appointing authority in connection with other Home Guards, Lordship, deployed at Meghalaya State Agricultural Marketing Board. Further, it is requested to submit the area pay and allowances of Home Guards volunteers with effect from 1/1/2017 to 31/11/2017, and again from 1/12/2017 to 30th September 2018 for necessary action from year end. They mean to say you submit the bills, Lordship. That is with regard to another agencies. Now, Lordship, we have put up our application claiming the same benefits. That is at page 15.
Yes.
That is the representation we have filed before the Chief Engineer, Lordship, who is the head of the...
Why do you know dates in these letters?
Letter date, Lordship. True, Lordship. But they have received 38/5/2019, 31/5/2019. This is the representation. May I read, Lordship? With reference to the subject, that is subject, revised pay and arrear pay allowances of the Home Guards volunteers. With reference to the subjects as above, I have the honor to inform you that we have not received the revised pay as per the fixation under the revision of pay 2017, and also the arrear pay and allowances with effect from 1/1/2017 till date. But we came to know that Home Guards volunteers in other parts of the state have already received all the benefits as per the revision of pay. So we were deprived of our rights in spite of our services given to the department. In this connection, we humbly request you to consider our case so that we can get revised pay and arrear, as the same was already delayed for a long time.
So this is when?
This is 2019, Lordship. 31/5/2019.
19?
Yes, Lordship.
But the endorsement below says
Yes.
35/13?
No, 19, below down, Lordship.
31/5/19.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
Now,
we'll take that date to be 31/5/19. Then 19.
Now, best the recommended that representation was forwarded to the requisition authority, Lordship, inviting a reference on the subject as referred to above. Enclosed, please find herewith the petition letter received from the Home Guards volunteers working under your division for information and necessary action. Now, what they did, Lordship, now again, this is the letter issued by the Chief Engineer to the Executive Engineer, Lord. Next page, page 17.
Yes.
Now, another letter, Annexure 8, Lordship. This is also from Additional Engineer to the Executive Engineer. The content of the letter, Lordship, enclosed please find herewith this office letter number so-and-so, dated so-and-so and so-and-so. This is the referring to earlier letter, Lordship.
Where?
Page number 18, Lordship.
18.
Yes. They are referring, just now I have read out that earlier two letters issued by the Chief Executive Engineer, Lordship. Dated so-and-so, along with enclosure which are self-explanatory. In this connection, you are requested to take necessary action in order to settle the matter as early as possible. This office may be kept informed on the action taken.
Yes.
Now, next page, Lordship. Next page is the letter issued by the executive engineer to the, that means the requisition authority to the recruiting authority, Lordship, appointing authority.
Yes.
I'll just read the content, Lordship. With reference to the subject side above, I have the honor to request you to kindly furnish the details of the Home Guard deployed at Executive Engineer, Rural Water Supply Division, Joy, for their first deployed in this office and their basic pay. This is for favor of your kind information and necessary action from your end. After that, there was no correspondence, Lordship, with me, Lordship. Now, they have enclosed some correspondence, Lordship, between the Executive Engineer and the Home Guards, Lordship. That will
you don't know anything.
Yes, that will find in my lord in their counter affidavit, Lordship.
Yes.
Their counter affidavit, para 7, Lordship. I'll read some para from their counter affidavit, Lordship.
1 second. Yes.
Para 7, that with regard to the avertment made and para 4 of the writ petition, the answering deponent states that Annexure 3. Annexure 3
One
is...
second.
Sorry, Lordship.
Where are you reading?
Page number 3 in the
Yes.
state affidavit, para number 7, Lordship.
Yes. Sorry.
Proceed, Lordship. Can I?
Para?
7.
Very good. Yes.
With regard to the avertment made at para 4 of the writ petition, the answering deponent states that Annexure 3. Annexure 3 means that which I just now I have referred, saying that they have implemented the revision of pay 1996, Lordship.
With regard to people,
Yes, Lordship.
acquisition
Yes,
for the
Lordship.
State of Housing
Yes.
Corporation. Okay.
No, Lordship. I was appointed 1986. Then second revision of pay was due in 1st of January 1996. And by Annexure 3, they had implemented, they have enhanced my
Okay.
salary.
They
They are
deny it?
responding.
They deny it now?
No, they are not denying, Lordship.
Yes.
Annexure 3 was not issued by the office of the respondent number 4. That means the Home Guards.
Yes.
But in fact, it is the office of the respondent number 5.
Yes.
That is the...
Yes. Let's see the annexure.
who has issued the same, and the copy of the same was given to the respondent number 4. Respondent number 4 is the requisition authority, Lordship. As respondent number 4 is just the paying authority, and whatever funds has been allotted on behalf of the petitioner number 1 to 4, the respondent number 4 has released it to them. They are saying that so far as the implementation or the enhancement of the
Now,
salary.
where's the affidavit from the Home Guards?
Pardon?
Where's the affidavit from the Home Guards? You didn't file?
But he brought the instruction, Lordship. I'll come to that, Lordship.
Then before to cut short his argument, if I'm pleased to take your lordship to my this additional affidavit filed as per order dated 21/9/2023.
There's no additional affidavit here. There's only one affidavit.
Affidavit filed by and on behalf of respondent 5 as per order dated 21/9/2023.
Where, in which, in the other case?
That was in the 220 years. These are connected matters, so we file it because your lordship was pleased to ask.
What do you say there? Sure.
Well, without going, if I'm pleased to take your lordship to Annexure 5, page 15. Annexure 5, page 15 of my affidavit. Annexure 5,
yes,
page 15. That enhancement of the duty allowance of trained home guard volunteers. Letter number such and such. In pursuance to Labour Department notification number such and such, data such and such, I am directed to convey the approval of the Governor of Meghalaya to the enhancement of duty allowance of trained home guard volunteers from 300 per day to rupees 439 per day with effect from 1st April 2029.
Where's this Supreme Court order regarding rejecting home guards that are not
I'll come
employees?
to that, Lordship.
Where's that? See, now your stance only one thing, that home guard volunteers are not regular government employees.
No,
correct?
No, your lordship.
And so, if they're not regular government employees, they'll be entitled to any pay scale, they'll not be entitled to any pay revision, and they're only entitled to daily wages.
Yes, yes, your lordship, daily wages.
And so what you're trying to say is that whatever happened before is an aberration.
Yes,
wrongly happened. You should pay the daily wages only.
Yes, your lordship.
Then you paid them, but you appointed them on a pay scale.
No, we have never paid them. We have never appointed or never paid them this fourth pay commission or fifth pay commission. Only
whatever
revised.
just pay, according to revision of pay rules, you paid them.
No, we have paid because this is the revision. This was given on 28th September 2019. Now they are talking about 2017, but we have been paying the revised pay scale, and they are not denying. And now what they want is that they should get this fifth pay commission. That they are not entitled because
no, we're not going there. Only is the method of how we've been paying them. You understand? See in direct petition. See that Annexure 3. This is under the hand of the home guards only. The foreign guardsmen are hereby allowed to raise their pay scale to a pay scale is given, even efficiency bars given. Where is government notification letter dated 21/12/98? Does it find place anywhere in the records? This is very important. You come to Annexure 3, Mr. Sheikh. On what basis was this letter issued whereby they were given revision of pay? Now, till 2022, you given the same pay?
No, Lordship. 2016, till 2016, Lordship.
Not paid after that?
After that, we are not given that benefit of revision of pay.
No, forget revision
yes,
of pay.
We are getting till...
Not wages?
Yes, Lordship.
Not wages?
No, Lordship. Yes, we are getting the salary, Lordship, till...
As per the scale?
Yes, as per the scale. Yes, Lordship. As per the scale.
That is what needs to be clarified. Now you're saying the daily wages and your terms of appointment.
My lord, what they have missing...
1 second. Let us try to understand. You appointed on pay scale 500 per month. By now you must be retired.
Pardon, Lordship?
You must be retired by now, 86.
No, Lordship. Still I have...
How is it possible?
98, still I have, if not mistaken, less than 2 years, Lordship.
Okay. Suppose even you're born in... okay, fine. Forget, does not go there, yes.
Now, with regard to whether the home guards are entitled for revision of pay, Lordship, this court has decided, Lordship, in 2010, Lordship. Similar issue, Lordship.
Where the decision?
I have relied earlier, Lordship. Still, I'm just supplying the copy, Lordship.
Does it answer the judgment?
Yes, Lordship. I have already. Para it starts from para 15, Lordship. May I read, Lordship?
Yes.
Since it is the order of appointment, the content of the appointment is more or less same, Lordship, which is the primary source of determination of the nature of employment of the petitioners. Let us take note of the order of appointment of the petitioners in order to understand as to what were the terms and conditions of employment of the petitioners, considering the facts that the order letter of appointment of the petitioners are same. One of such letters, namely the letter dated so and so, is reproduced below. Content is the same, Lordship. Now, para 16, Lordship. From a microscopic reading of the letters of appointment, what can surfaces is that there are three discernible conditions of the contract at hand. Namely, contract in the present case was a contingent contract in the sense that the petitioners were to remain under contractual employment so long as their services were required by the AG's office. Should therefore AG's office did not require the services of the Home Guards, the petitioner's service were to be terminated. There was no permanency attached to the nature of employment of the petitioners. The petitioners were appointed on a time scale, and this time scale was admittedly time scale of regular Home Guards in the employment of the state government. Consequently, as the petitioners were given the pay scales of regular Home Guards in the employment of the state government, the petitioners will continue to receive such scales as were available to the regular Home Guards in the state governments. The very appointment of the petitioners promised to them that they would be entitled to allowances as would be available to a regular Home Guards in the employment of the state government. Thus, again shows that the petitioners were promised and they would be paid the allowances which otherwise available to the regular government employees of their scale. Now, para 18, Lordship. From the terms and condition of the petitioner's contract of employment, what follows is that though the petitioners were employed by the state government as Home Guards on contractual basis, the terms of the contract of employment promise to them that they should be treated at par with the regular employees so long as the petitioners remain working under the contract of employment. And this is not for the reason that the petitioners were not given a lump sum amount or fixed amount as consideration of their services. Rather, they were given not only time scale, which were available with the government in respect to its other regular employees as Home Guards, but also such allowances which were available to other regular Home Guards. The conduct of the parties to a contract being also the index of the conditions of contract, it can also be gathered that the petitioners were indeed paid in the past the leave salary and also the increments, and these increments were paid by the state treasury. The government cannot therefore say that they were ignorant of the fact that the petitioners were being paid leave salary, the benefits of increment and also other service benefits in the manner as were being favorable to those employees who were regularly appointed as Home Guards. This is important, Lordship, page para number 19 and 20. Though the state has contended that the petitioners are volunteers, same defense they have taken here, Lordship. The fact remains that the petitioner did not work free of cost. Though their nature of duties were same as those of a volunteer Home Guards, their nature of appointment was nevertheless contractual, as the state government had promised to them the benefit of all such allowances and pay scales as were made available to a regularly employed Home Guards under the state government. This is also discernible from the facts that the petitioners were given the benefits of the third pay commission. It is the specific case of the petitioners that they have received the benefits of third pay commission. No statement on oath has been made by the respondents contending or showing that the petitioners have not received the benefits of third pay commission. This is also the reflective of the fact that the condition of contract had promised to the petitioner.
Your terms are different from these ones. From this one that they promise the promise in this other case.
Here also, Lordship.
Here's only that the only that's temporary. You're given a time scale of pay, correct?
Yes.
And then only the appointments were temporary, specifically for the need of the PHE.
Yes.
And while the need subsists, your
Yes.
employment will survive.
Same
and
here
whether
also
your
conditions.
requirement to revision of pay, that I don't know what this judgment will cover it or not.
My lord, here also say. I am
so you say that
all
since they're
throughout.
treated as a regular employee.
Yes, I have been
given all the benefits.
True, Lordship. I have been receiving all the benefits of the revision of pay time to time, Lordship. They have not denied. They are only saying that it is not by the requisitioning authorities, by the home guards. Whatever the home guards made the bill, we used to make the payments. They are not denying. Now, Lordship, para 20, Lordship. The question here, para 20, the question therefore as to whether the petitioners are entitled to the benefit of fourth pay commission. He said, yes, they are entitled. Accordingly, the benefits of fourth pay commission were given to them.
Was order ever challenged, Mr. Abraham?
I have not gone through this copy of the judgment, Your Lordship.
What are you saying that now? You go to give him a copy, take this citation down. We'll have it again. See if this is correct. If it flows from the terms of appointment, whatever the appointment order says, that means the rights will flow from there. Correct?
Yes.
And they appoint a regular time scale. Requirement is still there by PHE. That means why are you? And then the next case that they've been disengaged. So
here, the very appointment as per the term and condition of the appointment is totally different. In that, they have never talked about this the 4 pay or 3 pay commission. They have agreed with the term and condition of the appointment.
No. That is not talk. That's not talk. See, the things that see. You read para 16 of the judgment. Read from 15. So you let him read it. You give it. Let him come. Let's after 1 week. You study the judgment.
I'll just one point, Lordship. I want to clarify.
Yes.
Now, what the judgment my friend is referring, Lordship, that is with regard to regularization, Lordship. In 2015, the home guards from different states, Lordship, they sought for regularization. While denying, Lordship,
Supreme Court judgment.
Yes, Lordship, that Graham
Yes.
Rakshak judgment, Lordship. Now, while denying the regularization, Lordship, so far as the other benefits were given, now the state of Odisha, Lordship, relying that judgment, filed a writ petition and sought for some of the home guards in the state of Odisha, Lordship, in 2020, and sought for benefit of the 7 pay commission. Now the single bench has directed to give the benefit of the 7 pay commission. The state filed appeal before the division bench. Division bench also did not interfere, Lordship. Only the benefits, Lordship, area they have restricted, that it should be from the date of filing, not from the date of 16, Lordship, from 2016. Now,
let him see the judgment. We'll not waste time. Yes. We'll finish up next date.
Yes, sir.
If we can distinguish and say that no, their rights are only, as per your affidavit, there are only 2 wages, that also will not hold water, I think. And whether it's been challenged or not, this judgment.
I'll do that, yes.
This is case after 1 week, yes.
21.
I'll keep judgment in.
21.
Other case.
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, this matter has been fully heard, Your Lordship, but on the prayer of the counsel for the respondent, it has been fixed, tagged along with the next matter, Your Lordship. So,
what's the matter about?
It's equal pay for equal work, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship had already considered.
Yes?
We had already considered the pay, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, I was a regularized employee, but however, I was not paid the pay of a regular employee, Your Lordship. That's my stand, Your Lordship. For
which department?
In Muda, Your Lordship.
What's Muda?
Meghalaya.
Urban Development Authority.
Yes, Your Lordship. In the last occasion, it was fully heard, Your Lordship.
Where's Mr. Philemon Nomri?
He'll be coming, Your Lordship.
He couldn't come here. I saw him earlier a while back.
Yeah, he'll be coming, Your Lordship. I had already informed him.
The court's rising early today also. After 1 week, we'll have it, yes. Only on one point.
Yes,
that
Your
you recognize and still paid ad hoc salary.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
22?
Lordship, Lordship.
22?
It's connected.
22 start along with 21, Lordship.
Yes.
27?
Lordship, I pray this matter may come on Monday, Lordship. I apologize, I could not mention earlier, Lordship.
Yes, list after 2 weeks.
Oh.
You wanted 2 weeks, no? Earlier on?
28?
Yeah, Lordship, I pray 2 weeks time on behalf of A. Kharsona, Lordship. She is sick,
A?
Lordship. Miss. 20.
28.
Yes, Lordship.
Rajib Sangma. Yes, AP Kharsona. Yes. Just after she's not well.
She's not hospital.
Yes, as the conducting counsel states to be unwell just after 2 weeks. But your case is very interesting. The only thing, that let Mr. Abraham, let him examine the judgment.
Supreme Court also.
Whether he's filed an appeal or not, and whether that order stands. Then more or less, it does not cover fully, but substantially.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Bless you.